Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change delivery address on Amazon. Without any delay, let's get right into the video. At first, open your preferred web browser, then search Amazon page and click on it. Once you are in Amazon page, make sure that you are logged in your account. Now, click on your profile and scroll down a bit until you see all account. Tap on see all account. After that, you're gonna scroll again all the way down until you see your address. Tap on your address. Now we are adding a new address, so we need to click on add a new address. Here you need to fill a new form where you need to add your full name, phone number, address, city, state, zip code. You can also make this default by clicking on make this my default address, and that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos.